Good day, y'all. Thanks for joining us. A exciting day today. Lots happening. Got tile happening and being finished. We got my new water pump going in. Done. We're going to check the water pressure here in a little bit. We got our paint on the outside. But I got some exciting news. Oh, before I get to that, I want to show you, this is GI pipe that we got from the local hardware store for our handrails. No, he thinks they're too thin. Well, I'm not really sure, actually. That's the first I've had a chance to touch them. I'll have to think about that a little bit. Might be okay. I'll check the price, too. Anyway, so to our big news. Are you ready? Big news. Are you ready? Ta-da! Look at that. Look. Cabinets. Ain't that nice? So I'm not sure what setting I'm on where this thing's zooming in and out, but it's kind of interesting. I have no idea why. I can see that it's focusing in on somebody and then zooming in. How funny. Okay, well, it's a setting I've never seen before. And then as I was, so we just realized that our refrigerator is a little bit taller than that opening. I think it's just a few inches. Doesn't matter, a few inches is a few inches. But he gave me some good news, said this was their problem. So, and the other thing, shout out to Mobile House for sticking to their word. They said they would come today, the 30th, and lo and behold, they're here on the 30th. And they're working tomorrow, which is a holiday in the Philippines. It is Labor Day in the Philippines. So, that cabinet installation. I can't remember what's over here. This is the cooktop, and over here is a steam oven. There's a range below, or an oven below the cooktop, steam oven, and a coffee maker. An island here. So, I mean, we probably should, since we're checking measurements here, we should probably be checking the other appliances to make sure that they all fit. Dishwasher goes here. So we'll work on that. This pantry will be put in today. And this is supposed to be all of the work, including the closets. Well, I hope the zooming in and out isn't annoying. I'll have to see. No idea why it's doing that and what sound that is. And if I like it, how do I get it back? It's called auto framing. You can't turn it on or off when you're running. Just when you're stopped. So we're measuring for the barn door for the shower stall. There'll be a door here and a door here. Actually, these are the fixed sides. This is the door side. And we're going to make the door between 32 and 36. And it's going to be 7 feet high, which is somewhere where that wire is, which I have no idea what that wire is for. Interesting. I wonder what that wire is for. And we'll find out. What's that wire for, Noe? Do you know? take a shower and shock yourself?
Do you have an outfit? Little shave or
I don't know. Electricity and water don't mix real well. So, so this bathroom's looking pretty good. Well, the glass guys were here measuring, and it occurred to me that while they're here and the cabinet guys were downstairs, that we'll measure this space between here and this curb. We really weren't going to originally have a curb, so I'm not really sure how close we were paying attention, but what happened is on both of these, this wall's about 4 inches too close to this curb, and so our cabinet is about 4 inches too wide. So, but the cabinet guy's here, he doesn't seem terribly worried about it. This side's okay, but even so, if we had made this side, removed this, it really doesn't make any sense, moving this wall over 4 inches, because it really should plumb up with this. And again, if you move it over 4, it's really close to this toilet. It's already going to be close enough. So, there's this is the toilet, I think. And that's the drain. I'm not sure. I think that's the drain, that's the toilet. One thing I can check here. See. Yeah, it's the 6-inch one is the toilet. 4-inch for the drains, 6-inch drains downstairs. So that's the toilet. It'll fit between this wall and there, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, that's just life in the big city. Okay, one last look at this kitchen. They're going to be here 10 days, they tell me. And let's just see if I can get a little peek on this color. Cool, huh? Green, I would call that. And this is, I forget what this is called. Some interesting things here. This outlet's been moved around a million times, and for some reason we ended up with 2 of them where the refrigerator goes. I have no idea why.